Yo, wagwan people. Yo, welcome back to another YouTube video, man. Yeah, it's been a minute still. It's been a minute. Anyway, yo, in today's episode, if you don't follow me on Instagram, well, first of all, you should follow me. So, AB2ACO Echo. So yeah, anyway, man, these boys have finally finished the job. So what's happened is I paid them. Obviously, I paid them the job. So what the next step is now to do is to get the car transported over to a unit in Oldham called what is it called? Volksmaster. Anyway, so the problem is the car's still not fixed. Visually, the car looks like a car again, but we won't drive. Still won't drive. We've done everything. So I think the only last issue is the mechatronic unit. So obviously that got damaged. But I didn't think anything of it, you know. So obviously, so we're just waiting on the recovery guy now to come pick up the car, because obviously you can see the car is right over there. Yeah, the car's right over there. And then man, we're gonna see what these lot are saying. So obviously I'm gonna keep you updated. I don't even know how long I'm gonna record, because I've got a busy day. So I'll try and record as much as I can for you guys, content, because obviously if anyone out there is in the same situation as me, if you're deciding you're going to go through the insurance, or you want to fix it yourself, or front end collision, mechatronic unit, then this is a very useful video. So yeah, man. Early morning, mate. Early morning. Yeah, man. Yes, people. So yeah, man. The recovery guy's here. So obviously we're going into the unit now. We're going to go and try to tow the bar. Somebody said tow the bar, flipping out, not with it right now. It's still early morning, but yeah, we're going to go and tow the car. Car's right there. Obviously the battery's still dead, so that means I need to get a new battery now. So I don't even know how much that's cost. I think it's like 150 or something like that. But yeah, man. So yeah, we're gonna have to push this with no power, but it goes into neutral, so all good in the hood. So yeah, like I said, people, so we're gonna take the car now to Volksmasters, see what they're saying. Yeah, I've noticed as well there's no coolant, so yeah, that's jarring. So yeah. So yeah, man, as soon as I get this driving again, I'm taking this off, yo. This is so tacky. I'm gonna take that off, leave that there. Probably need to place a new one, because look at that. Yeah, people, look at that. That's a sick job. Remember in the last video, this was damaged. So yeah, man, that's sick. Yeah, serious job, man. Serious job. Flipping out. Hand roof. Season all day, every day. All day, every day, people. Yeah, man. So yeah. You know what's crazy? I've been looking for this belt for the longest time. Oh my lord. I've dashed that in my pocket. How close is this? This might be needed to be open. Ugh. Okay, so yeah, people, look at that. Ooh, turns on, but look at all these warning lights though. Yeah, look at that. It just turned on. Nah, I've turned on, but it just turned off. Yeah. That's weird. Yeah, be right back, people, because obviously I've got to go and do the ghost, innit? So be right back. Yeah, okay, cool. It's turning back on now. Remote. Nice. Oh, just turned off again. Yeah? Yeah, people are currently struggling to get the car started with the boosters, yo. It doesn't seem to be holding because obviously the battery is completely dead, so it just won't really start the car. I'm trying to put the ghost, but by the time I put the ghost, the car doesn't even even start, it just turns off. So I've done this about my 6th attempt now, so yeah, we're gonna try this again. Obviously, we're gonna try 2 this time, innit? Oh, it's on. Let's see. Yeah, 2 twos, people. All right, people. I'll put the ghost on. Car starts, but yeah, I can see what the boys mean when the car's misfiring. I don't know if you lot can hear that. Neutral. Yeah, it's in neutral. Look at all these signs. I mean, seatbelt's got. Seatbelt's just fell off. There you go.
A bit more.
RPM. Okay. Well, yeah, one going to drive. Oh no, go to drive, one going to reverse. Ah, so that's what they meant by that. Gearbox, malfunction, reverse gear, no reverse gear, you can continue driving. Yeah, you see that, people? Yeah. 30. I had about 90, you know. Yeah, flipping out. Let me try and put this in thingy.
I'll do if you just put it into park.
Park, yeah?
And handbrake on as well.
Yeah.
Just pull up your windows and just switch the car on.
Yeah. Alright, people. Switch the car off. Yeah. Okay. Nice one, mate.
Hold my back if you need.
Nice one, yeah. Bro, you forget I'm black, bro. We do this jumping. See? Yeah, man. Yeah, people. Shit. That's feel looking evil right now, people. Look at that. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, like I said, tacky, mate. We need to get that gone. Yeah, man. So, yeah, literally we're just gonna head over to what's his face, Foxmasters. Yeah, man, the car kept misfiring, so I can see what they were saying. Obviously, that was the first hand. Yeah. So yeah, like I said, the car keeps misfiring, so I can see what they were saying about it won't yeah, you get the point anyway. So it doesn't go past anything over 1,500 RPM, and it's hella, warning signs as well. So yeah. Oh, look at this. Yeah, mate. You look just like mine. Yeah. Anyway, people. Yeah. So literally, like I said, we're gonna go over to Foxmaster now. So yeah, check that next clip in a second now. All right. So yeah, check, guys. Car's now covered onto the van. So yeah, man. Obviously, if you guys are anywhere, if you guys are local around, it actually doesn't matter whereabouts you're from. These guys local anywhere. Where you local from? Like how far distance?
From Oldham, but we cover nationwide.
Nationwide. You hear that, people? So yeah. So obviously I'll put the Instagram over there on the side. So yeah, check them out, people.
Are you the big corner?
Yeah.
Is that the right number we can get you on? Does it have a dash cam?
No.
So it's £60 for the initial diagnostic.
Yeah.
I've got car turns on, starts, won't engage, drive, thinks mechatronic unit is damaged.
That's correct, yeah.
Okay, and then I've just put on the vehicle runs but battery's dead.
Yeah.
So I just need a signature there, please. Have you got your fuel?
Yeah.
Does it move yours, mate? Does it roll?
It rolls, but battery's dead.
I've got one already here for the Land Rover.
You're in the truck now?
Yeah, right. Yeah, the truck's over there. It's right over there. Yeah, yeah. What's this one here? Yeah.
Just there.
Oh.
That's saying you've done the work.
Yeah. There we go.
This back for a minute.
There's another key inside. I left it in the glove,
is there?
in the glove compartment. Yeah.
Okay, no worries.
Nice one.
Fabulous.
Thank you.
Yeah, just bring it up the middle then.
No worries. So yes, people. So yeah, we're gonna go and bring the car here. So obviously, I brought my car over to brought to my store. Obviously, I'm here to bring things about him. So only made sense, innit? So we're gonna go now, get the car all the way. Anyway, yeah, so we're gonna get the car pulled over there. So yeah, I was gonna chat to the guy now. Yeah, he said just put the car, tow the car that way so they can get in. Yeah, it's alright.
Crashing my G's, money making the streets. Trap in my shoes, money making my moves. Trap rap in a booth, get paid for the food. Steady copping these trees, yeah, I'm out here to get peas. Trap cash in my jeans, money making the streets. Trap in my shoes, money making my moves. Trap rap in a booth, get paid for the food. Steady copping these trees, yeah, I'm out here to get peas. Trap cash in my jeans, money making the streets. Stepping out in my tents, tracksuit in my ends. Like Sim to get bread, Samsung full of cred. Hit me up if it's peas, making hella bands for them peeps. Man bag full of cash, come fuck with a G. 10-10 on that pack, nah G I don't beats. Straight cash for them Gucci's, monkey sat on my feet. Valentino my swag, camouflage I look neat. Riding round in your ends, hit the strip with that grease. Trap in my shoes, money making my moves. Trap rapping a booth.
Yeah, man. Fucking gangster, man. That's it, man. The baddest S3 on the road, man. I tell you, the baddest S3 on the road, gangster. Look at it. Yo, you lot can't tell me that this S3 ain't sick as fuck, is. Yo, even if it's not driving, yo, man still got a massive grin on my face, yo. Massive grin. But yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, so obviously, I think this will probably be the end of the video. I'm not too sure yet, depending on what these guys say. But just in case if it is, yeah, I'm gonna speak to these lot to let them know to document the whole process, because obviously I won't be here to record the whole thing, innit? So yeah, man. But yeah, man, you might just keep watching this thing. I'm gonna try and update as much as I can, because obviously the last update I did was like a month ago, and it's very hard for me to upload. You know what I mean? So. Yeah, man. But yeah, people, like, subscribe, comment, the whole shebang, man. Stay with me, you know. Stay with me, man. This project is done. This project is done. I'm safe.
Money making the streets. Trap in my shoes. Money making my moves. Trap rapping a booth. Get paid for the food. Steady copping the streets. Yeah, I'm out here to get peas. Trap cash in my jeans. Money making the streets. Trap in my shoes. Money making my moves. Trap rapping a booth. Get paid for the food, steady copping the streets. Yeah, I'm out here to get paid. Trap cash in my jeans, money making the streets.